Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Harshita Alveli. We have Sharni with us today, who is from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and she gave her final Cognizant interview a week ago. She's waiting for her results. So let's talk to her and get to know about the entire interview process in detail. So, hi Sharni.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, Sharni. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, so ready to share your interview experience with us?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, firstly, tell us from which college are you? From which college? From which branch?
I'm from St. Joseph Institute of Technology and I'm from ECE.
Okay, super. So, what was the job role? What was the exact package?
I've applied for the role of GenC developer, which was a programmer analyst role in Superset, ma'am. And the package is 4 lakhs in probation period. And after the probation period, it will convert to be 4.5 lakhs.
Okay, okay. So, totally, how many rounds were there, Sharni?
There were only 2 rounds, ma'am. First was assessment and then technical interview.
Technical interview. Okay, so when did you apply for the Cognizant?
I applied for the programmer analyst role for in June 9th.
June 9th. Okay.
Yes.
So, okay, yeah. Tell us about the first round. When was the first round conducted?
First round was conducted in July 6th and 7th, ma'am. I was attending in July 6th.
July 6th. Yeah, tell us about the first round.
The first round, it consists of aptitude, logical reasoning, and verbal ability.
Okay.
Where in aptitude, we had LCM, divisibility, averages, ratio and proportion, and profit loss, simple interest, compound interest, and time and work, and percentage problems, and probability problems, and clocks, train problems, etc.
Okay, so
And
all these, yeah, tell me.
in logical reasoning, we had
No, no. Tell us about the numerical ability, this, right? How many questions were there? So questions
uh,
from the topics you told were asked. How many
yes, ma'am.
questions were asked? Do you remember?
25, ma'am. 25 and 35 minutes were given, ma'am.
Okay.
Extra time was
You
given.
had more than a minute for every question.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
was the level of difficulty?
It was so easy, ma'am.
So easy. Okay. So it was very easy.
Very easy.
And the time must be more than enough, no? Then.
Yes, ma'am. More than enough.
Okay, super. So that was about the first section. Then the second section?
Second section was a logical reasoning round, and it is directional questions and blood relations, selection decision table, and syllogism and analogy, and statement and conclusion, and odd man out, and where data arrangement are.
Okay, questions from all these topics were asked under logical reasoning.
Logical
How
reasoning.
many questions were there?
This also contains 25 questions and 35 minutes.
Okay, same time
Yes.
and same number of questions. And the level of difficulty was?
Easy, ma'am. All easy.
Okay, logical reasoning was also very easy.
Easy.
Okay, super. Then the third section?
Verbal ability, ma'am. It contains like synonym, antonym, error identification, then subject verb agreement, tenses, articles, then speeches and voices, and sentence selection, and passage comprehension, and that's all, ma'am. Selecting words like these questions.
Here, how many questions were asked? The third section?
Here 35 and 35, ma'am. 35 minutes and 35 questions.
Okay, here you just had 1 minute for every question.
Yes, ma'am.
Was the time sufficient?
Yes, ma'am. That's sufficient.
Okay, and the level of difficulty was also?
Easy.
So overall, the first round was quite easy.
Easy, ma'am.
You could answer everything in time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when did you get to know that you are shortlisted for the next round?
I got a mail on July 6th, ma'am.
July 6th.
Sorry, July 6th. I received a mail that you have completed the assessment, and the technical interview round was on 21st July. The day before, I got an email that you are having a technical interview on Cognizant.
Okay, the date wasn't informed about the second round. Date wasn't informed on July 6th.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a day before, you got to know that you have an interview. That is on 21st July.
July. Yes, ma'am.
Super. Yeah, tell us about the second round.
The HR was quite friendly, and he asked me about tell me about yourself. I gave a brief intro about myself, and he asked about my project, and I told about the project, and the questions related to my project, that how many of them are there in my project. I said two, and he asked that what is the algorithm used in your project. The algorithm used, I told, and what is my favorite subject, he asked, and I said communication network, and he asked the questions, several questions like what is networking, what is firewall, what is OSI layers, what is piggybacking in networking, and what is routers, switches. That's all, ma'am. And yes.
That's it.
Yes, that's all in communication network. And
Okay.
then he asked about which programming languages you are comfortable with. I said C. Then he asked, you should know more than three languages. I said, I know Python and Java, sir, but I'm a beginner in that. And in C, he asked questions like what are dangling pointer, a bubble sort, write a program on to reverse the string. He asked to write me a program that was inbuilt in the compiler was inbuilt in the superset compare we applied for the Cognizant,
Okay.
and we have to run the program to reverse the string.
Okay. So did you write the program? Were you
Yes, ma'am.
successful?
Yes, ma'am. It was successful, and it ran. And he asked about what is the difference between static and run dynamic variable with respect to the scope.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's it. Anything else was asked?
No, that's all. Here, any more questions you want to ask, you can ask. And yeah, I asked when I joined Cognizant, what should I learn, or what programming languages or technology should I learn? And
Oh,
he said you can learn Java. It's is more preferable in Cognizant, and you can learn any other technologies as you wish.
okay. Okay. So on which platform was this conducted? Superset, right?
Superset.
Superset. Okay. And what was the duration of this round?
Duration was 30 to 45 minutes.
Okay, it went for a long time, no? 30 to
Yes.
45 minutes. And
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
was asked, you could answer everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was the final round.
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Happened on 22nd.
He asked another HR question, ma'am. No HR round. So he asked an HR question like, which place do you prefer?
Okay.
I said Chennai or Bangalore.
Okay.
And if these both are not your centers, what will you do? I said I'll relocate, sir.
Okay. You told you have no issue with the relocation.
Relocating. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was all about the second round.
Yes, ma'am.
And now your today is 26th, 27th July, right?
27
So
July.
you are waiting for your
For my
results now.
results. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, super Shalini. So we would wish you all the very best. I hope you will get placed in Cognizant.
Thank you so much.
And thanks for sharing all the information with us. I'm sure students who are watching this will find it very useful.
Thank you so much
Okay, Shalini,
for this
congratulations
opportunity.
once again. Yeah, congratulations once again and all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.